Welcome to the 118,400 hectares mining area of PT Berau Coal. Berau Coal is committed to bringing the benefits of coal as well as its sustainable advantages to our communities and around the world. One of the most important areas at Berau Coal in which we consider the highest priority as part of our operation is health, safety and the environment, or HSE. This is the safety induction video of PT Berau Coal. As a mining operator, PT Berau Coal implement a management system called Berau Coal Green Mining Systems, or BGEMS. For us, fully supporting the system, infrastructure, work safety and environment is a must. And not only that, you are also fully responsible for that implementation. PT Berau Coal has applied the aspect of health, safety and environment within all its areas of operations, including on land and in the water, and in all its 3 mining locations of Lati, Benungan and Sambarata. We have a high regard for the local way of life, and we hope you too will observe and value the norms of the community within our operational areas. The company's dedication to these important aspects can be seen from our extensive facilities and our commitment to continue training our staff in related skills. We also continue to nurture a culture of collective responsibility, including the Board of Directors. The proof of our commitment for health, safety and environment is evident by the national and regional certifications that we have been awarded, and proof of our achievement in implementing health, safety and environmental programs. From the moment you arrive at our head office, you will begin to witness our commitment and discipline in implementing our health, safety and environmental procedures with the simplest form.
The first step to observing our safety rules is when you arrive at Berau Coal, you should wear your ID card for your personal identification. This ID card identifies your status and presence within the operational area of Berau Coal, who you should be accompanied by, and where you have been authorized to access.
Please surrender all prohibited items before entering any Berau Coal premises by handing them over to our staff. We greatly appreciate your cooperation on this matter.
The first important step of safety is the proper use of personal protective equipment that conform to PPE standard. To properly protect yourself at the beginning from head to toe is to ensure your own health and safety.
And all workers have their specific personal protective equipment, or PPE, that are different for specific job. Please be disciplined and put on those that conform to your work. Should you be in doubt or do not understand anything, please do not hesitate to ask the staff. Berau Coal requires all employees to have a permit to work. The permit to work indicates that the employee is qualified to perform a certain specific job. All operational vehicles of PT Berau Coal are driven by personnel with special licenses for driving mining vehicles, and the vehicles you are in have all met the standard requirements of mining vehicles. Painted white, use of fog lights, attached with buggy whip and reflective tires that glow in the dark. And all vehicles are inspected daily with a checklist. If your activities include the mining and exploration areas, all inspection processes are repeated. So please apply all the rules properly because your safety is our main concern. Rules to observe while in a vehicle.
All vehicles at Berau Coal premises must obey speed limits and distance signs. Always fasten your seatbelt and must not come out of the vehicle until it stops. Use of cell phone, including receiving, making cell texting, are prohibited while you are driving.
All vehicles within the Berau Coal premises must observe rules on speed limits and distance between vehicles. Traffic is heavy within the premises of Berau Coal, and observation of rules and regulations are necessary. Please report any dangerous situation immediately to the staff.
Terima kasih atas informasinya. Kami akan segera meluncur ke sana, Pak Sumi. Terima kasih.
As an open-pit mining operation, there are also specific and special safety equipment in use. In mining activities involving explosive materials, Berau Coal sets safety standards for equipment and people. Warning signs and sirens are appropriately installed for both workers and visitors.
Tahan dulu Pak Apri, karena sebentar lagi akan mengadakan peledakan.
At Berau Coal, we are always ready for any kinds of emergency. Please be sure that you gather at the assembly point during an emergency. Berau Coal's operational areas include the use of rivers and are also subject to similar health, safety and environmental regulations without exception. This also applies to activities at the transshipment point, and all workers and visitors must conform to all the health, safety and environment regulations in the waters.
All employees and guests entering the water area will receive the ISPS ID code. Please pay attention to all markings and signage. Please do not hesitate to ask any staff if you don't understand the meaning of the sign.
In the remote exploration areas, you are required to be equipped with standard navigational instruments such as compass and map, and be in constant communication with the control center. Remember, the simplest of procedures can avert impending danger. Berau Coal is also committed to maintain a healthy and clean environment. This is carried out with periodic inspections around the premises as well as the workers' quarters. Activities at Berau Coal primarily involves the use of heavy machineries and our operations that are maintained and managed by qualified personnel must strictly observe our HSE procedures. Our job is to be actively involved in maintaining the environment at all Berau Coal's operational areas. This is part of the commitment of the company in the preservation of the environment.
PT Berau Coal applies a waste management system that all employees must obey. Waste must be disposed of accordingly. Everyone must monitor the implementation of the waste management system as environmentally protection is part of our collective responsibility.
Water is everyone's lifeline, and Berau Coal is committed to ensuring the supply of quality and clean water within its area of operations. Our program to ensure the quality of water guarantees that the water around the mining premises conform to the quality of the environment. With all the facilities, programs and human resources we have dedicated to health, safety and the environment, it is a clear message that in order to achieve this, it involves the collective effort of everyone. It is essential for you to observe the following. Always use your ID card accordingly. Always put on your personal protective equipment. Do not carry prohibited items in the operational areas. Observe the rules while in a vehicle and always wear your seatbelts. Observe our waste management procedures because the preservation of the environment is our collective responsibility. Report any abuses or irregularities you observe and those that are potentially hazardous. If you are unsure about anything, ask our staff or the person next to you.
The purpose of the regulation and facilities for safe and secure workplace and environment are to allow you to work and interact safely and comfortably at the operational areas of PT Berau Coal. There is nothing more precious for us to be able to come home to the loved ones safe and sound.